Before I start getting to questions about the broader fitness market right now, you launched this mirror product just over a year ago. How many have you sold, and how many subscriptions have you sold alongside it?
Yeah, we've sold tens of thousands of mirrors in our first year since launch, and are really excited that we have mirrors in every state with users as young children and members well into their 80s. So the diversity of our audience has been really exciting for us.
How much of this is actually about fitness versus other opportunities?
For me, the broader vision is really for Mirror to be the third screen in your home. We believe that you'll have your phone for small informational content, your television for passive entertainment, and then your mirror for interactive, immersive experiences, starting with fitness, but eventually moving into fashion, beauty, telemedicine, really anything where content, community, and privacy make sense.
You have a background in ballet. You went to Harvard. Where did the idea come from, and where did the backing come from initially?
Yes, I've really spent my whole life in health and wellness solving the same problem, which is how to make you feel better about yourself through health and wellness. I started here in New York as a dancer with New York City Ballet, went to Harvard, got involved with boutique fitness studios, which were just developing, opened a studio of my own about a decade ago, and then a few years ago found myself, like many of my clients, really struggling to work out, a gym owner who didn't go to the gym. And for me, it was the wait lists, the travel to the studio, trying to get a babysitter, and then not really enjoying anymore working out in a sweaty, dark room. So I started to think about in-home, but I didn't like the options available. You were putting a large bike or a treadmill into your small apartment, or you were looking at a little screen, which was a non-immersive, non-interactive experience. And coincidentally, I put a bunch of regular mirrors into my studios, and my members said it was the best thing that I had done, was give them that visual feedback on their form, and that working in front of a mirror was really integral to the experience. And from there, raised my first round of funding, and Mirror was born.
The origin story sounds a lot like how Peloton began. Frustration with scheduling and getting booked in classes. Is the competition other in-home services like Peloton, or are you trying to bust the traditional gym membership model?
Yeah, we really think of the world sort of as in two pieces. One are folks like Peloton and others who are creating the next generation of at-home fitness equipment, bikes, treadmills, rowers with screens attached to them. And then we put Mirror really in its own category. We're developing a new type of content platform that is content agnostic. So for us, fitness really is the first way that we're going to reach our audience, but we view the opportunity as really to be the next iPhone.
So really, in 5-10 years, fitness is what, 10% of the business? Half? Something like that?
I think under 5 years, likely.
Wow.
How are you assessing the competitive landscape? And we're talking about Peloton. Obviously, there's a number of other startups that are out there as well. Not all of them require expensive hardware to be purchased to sign on and have the subscriptions.
Yeah, absolutely. I think within the near future, you'll be able to access Mirror content potentially without the Mirror device through other portals. But for now, we think Mirror provides a really incredible way of viewing content that's really unparalleled, and it's an important part of the early experience for our members.
Quickly, if you can, is this anti-social? Because some people go to the gym to be seen. In the Mirror, you're looking at yourself.
Certainly. I think our members are able to connect with our trainers and also with each other through a wide range of social networks, as well as through the in-workout experience. So it's not uncommon for our members to send emojis to each other, giving each other a virtual high five, or to sign on to one of our Facebook or Instagram pages and chat with each other about their life outside of the workout. So I think it's an incredible way for people to connect, and realistically, the best workout is the one that you actually do. And for many people, that means working out at home.